This is not a regular afang, atama, editan, but this is bitter leaf and water leaf soup. Let me show you how I prepare this yumminess in a bit. Your one stop shouldn't be your last, so make sure you subscribe, like, share. The list of ingredients will be in my description box with your measurements, so please feel free to check it out. In a clean pot, I went in with palm oil. Next up, I went to my pepper mix, then I'm going to stir everything for it to combine. After stirring for some few minutes, I'll allow it to fry. Next up, I'll go in with my stocked fish, dry fish, and meat, or more, whatever protein of choice you want to use, and a little bit of meat stock. I'll stir everything and allow it to combine. Next up, I'll go in my shelled periwinkle and I will cover the pot and allow everything to come to a perfect boil. If you had noticed, I did not go in with seasoning cube because of the meat stock. Now I'm going in with seasoning cube. I'm using the tasty seasoning cube and salt, then with crayfish powder. I will stir everything and allow it to combine properly. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Rosemary, and to my returning subscribers, kiss on all your beautiful, wonderful and unique cheeks. Please don't forget to like this video, thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I tested to know if my seasoning was okay. Next up, I'll go in with the water leaf. I'll cover my pot and allow it to boil for like 3 minutes, just because I don't want spillage anywhere. As you can see, it has cooked down, and I'll just stir everything to combine. Test for seasoning again, because guys, when you're working with lots of crayfish, I use a lot of crayfish to cook my local soups, so I'm always very careful with my seasoning and salt because I don't want it to be too much. And if you remember, I also use the meat stock for this. Next up, I added pepper, dry pepper. I like my food pretty very spicy, and I'm also going in with fresh pepper. We'll introduce the star of the dish, which is bitter leaf, and I will add crayfish and I will stir everything together to combine for them to understand the assignment and know why they are here. Guys, let me introduce to you, in its goodness and mercy, bitter leaf and water leaf soup, or water leaf and bitter leaf soup as you may call it. It tastes so yummy, it tastes so different. You want to try this for a change? Let me know in the comment section if you try this soup out, and I'll catch you lovely in my next video. Bye.
Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.